Hello community, welcome back. I've got another product for you that I found through a guy I'm doing a course with. He's a great little Australian entrepreneur. He is heavily involved in manufacturing stuff. He's manufactured this Easy Rocket stove. It's made from Australian steel in Australia. It comes flat packed. It weighs 3 kilos. You can put it in your car, or if you have to go without your car, put it in your backpack because it gives you the ability to cook anywhere that you go. So if you're looking for a little stove that doesn't require any sort of fuel other than natural fuel that's laying about, have a look at this. It's less than $100. And again, it's Australian made, Australian owned, Australian steel. Thanks for listening. Thrive to survive.